Hello, mandduya here. How are you doing? Today we will be crocheting a bonnet together. The weather is getting colder and colder. It snowed a few days ago in Germany. So a bonnet would be perfect to keep our heads and ears nice and warm and cozy. So let's get started. This pattern works with all kinds of yarn, but it looks best with chunky yarn. So I'll be using 2 skeins of yarn to make a thicker yarn. To get started, we need a rectangular panel. The panel will be 20 centimeters by 26 centimeters. To make the panel, we will start by making a slip knot. Next, we will chain until the chain is 20 centimeters long. Once we are done with the chain, we will skip 1 stitch and single crochet into the back bump of the second stitch. I know it's tougher, but make sure to get into the back bumps of the stitches. You can pull on the bumps to make it easier to get into them. Continue single crocheting until you get to the end of the row. Like this. We're gonna turn our work and half double crochet into the first stitch of the row. We will half double crochet into every stitch of every row until we get to 26 centimeters in height. Now we're done with the panel. We are going to crochet along the 3 sides of the panel, excluding the bottom, which is the single crochet row that we did at the very beginning. We're gonna make a slip knot. Attach it to one end of the single crochet row by making a standing single crochet. And from here on out, make 1 half double crochet into the side of each row. When you're done with this side, you will continue on the top by making half double crochets into the stitches you see here. Same thing here, make 1/2 double crochet into the side of each row. When you get to the last stitch, remember to end it with a single crochet. We're gonna make something that looks like this when laid flat. We will be making increases at the end every second row. In the last stitch of every row, so the stitch at the edge will always be a single crochet. So into the last stitch of an increased row, we will be making a 1/2 double crochet and a single crochet. I'll show you how it goes. After the single crochet in the last stitch, we're going to turn our work, and this is our second row, which is an increased row. We will make a single crochet and a 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch and continue by 1/2 double crocheting into every other stitch in the row until we get to the last stitch of the row. When we get to the last stitch, we will make a 1/2 double crochet, a single crochet, like so, and turn our work. Now we're on our third row, which is not an increased row, so we are going to make one single crochet into the first stitch and continue 1/2 double crocheting into the rest of the stitches of the row. And when we get to the last stitch of the row, we will make one single crochet into the last stitch. When we turn our work, we are on another increased row, so we will make one single crochet and one 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch and continue by 1/2 double crocheting into every other stitch until we get to the last stitch of the row. We're going to repeat the increased rows and no increased rows until the bonnet is big enough to sit comfortably on our head. I would like to make mine a little oversized to make it extra cozy, but it is up to you how you make yours. When we're done with the body of the bonnet, we will single crochet along the bottom of the piece. This doesn't have to be completely neat, just try and make one single crochet into the sides of each row. Now it's time for the string. We're gonna make a slip knot. And attach it to one end of the bonnet by slip stitching. And we will chain until it is about 40 centimeters long. Next, we're gonna single crochet into each of the stitches. Now it's optional to crochet into the back bumps here, but I think it looks a lot better when you crochet into the back bumps. I forgot to record how you finish the string off, but at the end of the row you can simply slip stitch into the body of the bonnet and cut the yarn off, and repeat on the other side. Weave in your ends, and we're done.